Obviously, this is a massive shock to us, and we're very devastated by what's happened. It's unbelievable, but we do not know what's happened yet, so we'll wait for the accident investigation to really find out what's happened. Our concern right now is for the relatives and for the next of kin. There is nothing more important to us for our crew's family and for the passengers' families that we look after them. That is our number one priority at the moment, to make sure that we take care of them and to fully cooperate in the investigation, and we hope that the aircraft is found quickly and we can find out the cause of what has happened. But for the moment we don't want to speculate. We do not know what's happened, and our prime concern now is to look after the family, both in Singapore and Surabaya and elsewhere around Asia, and that's our prime concern, and we will leave the accident and search and rescue team to find our aircraft, and then we will start the process.
Apakah penerbangan Surabaya Singapura ini akan dihentikan sementara?
Operasional akan berjalan seperti biasa, Pak. Normal.
Mas Ulu, Bapak kami boleh tahu kondisi fisik pesawatnya, Pak? Itu dibuat tahun berapa? Sebelumnya terbang kemana? Lalu kondisinya seperti apa?
Yang bisa saya sampaikan, pesawat dalam kondisi laik. Pesawat dibuat tahun 2008.
The aircraft had gone through all checks, and they just had a check at the end of November. They followed all the procedures that was needed and was in good condition. They've never had any problems with it.
Before it took off from Surabaya, it just landed from other place?
No, it was night stopping in Surabaya. It was the first flight. It was the first flight.
The day before?
The day before it operated a normal schedule.
Thank you.
Untuk rute Surabaya Singapura ini masih akan tetap berjalan.
Kita masih akan berbagi secara normal.
Bapak, tadi kami dapat informasi dari beberapa keluarga penumpang yang mengatakan bahwa sempat ada pemindahan jadwal. Seharusnya mereka terbang tidak pada pukul 5.20, terus mereka dihubungi oleh pihak AirAsia. Apakah itu biasa terjadi atau ada alasan khusus dalam penerbangan kali ini?
Itu terjadi karena perubahan waktu terbang winter schedule dari summer schedule ke winter schedule. Itu biasa dilakukan setiap 6 bulanan, dan perubahan juga terkait dengan kondisi peak season.
It is too early. First of all, we do not know it was a crash. Let's just wait and see. We don't want to speculate. We have no idea at the moment what went wrong. Let's wait for the search and rescue teams to find the aircraft, and then we will obviously cooperate on a full investigation. Let's not speculate at the moment. Let's give our full attention to the next of kin and give full cooperation to the search and rescue team to be able to find the aircraft.
Sorry, Mr. Fernandes, this is the first time incident for AirAsia?
Yes.
Yes. The first time? Really first time?
Yes. The team is led by Indonesia, and whoever help has been offered